Hello everyone, welcome to maths lecture. Now in the previous lecture we have already started our last lesson of maths, which is lesson number 18, three-dimensional shapes. Okay, so in this chapter, in the previous lecture we have already seen the three types of shapes, that is cuboid, cube and the triangular prisms. Okay, so you know that cube and cuboid are quadrangular prisms. Similarly, there are also triangular prisms. Okay, we have already seen their different properties. Okay, so today we are going to study about the further shapes. Okay, so the first shape today we are going to study is cylinders. Now what are cylinders? See, cylinder is a shape which has a circular face. See, you can see I have drawn this diagram of cylinder. You can see it has a circular face. Okay, it has two circular faces. Okay, and one curved face. Okay, it has one curved face like this. Okay, and similarly circular edges. Okay, two circular edges, like see, this is the bottom circular edge and this is the top circular edge. Okay, understood? So the shape cylinder has two flat circular faces. See here on the top, this is the one flat circular face and this is the another flat circular face, and one curved face, which is, see here it has one curved face. Okay, it is a curved shape face. Okay, so it has two flat circular faces and one curved face. Okay, now vertex of cylinders. So here cylinders does not have any vertex. Okay, can you see any vertex over here? No. So cylinder does not have any vertex. Okay, edges. Now cylinders have two circular edges. See, this is the top circular edge and this is the bottom circular edge. Okay, understood? So cylinder has two flat faces and one curved face. Okay, two flat circular face and one curved face, and it has no vertex and it has two circular faces, that is on the top and on the bottom. Okay, understood? So examples of cylinders are the roll of foil paper, pipe, cylindrical water bottles, etc. Okay, you must have seen the roll of foil paper. Okay, it is in cylindrical shape. Then you might have seen the cylindrical pipes. Okay, the pipes usually we use for plumbing or something else. Okay, so cylindrical pipes and also cylindrical water bottle. Okay, so there are various examples of cylinders. Okay, so these are the few examples of cylindrical shape. Okay, roll of foil paper, pipes, cylindrical bottles, etc. Okay, now the next shape we are going to study is pyramids. Now what are pyramids? See, pyramid is a shape which has its top or the apex portion pointed. Okay, understood? The top or apex of this shape is pointed. Okay, it is pointed like a needle. Okay, means, see here I have drawn this diagram of pyramid. Okay, see, it has the pointed apex, that is pointed top. Okay, understood? So there are two types of pyramids. First is quadrangular pyramid and the next is triangular pyramid. Now quadrangular pyramid means what? Quadrangular pyramid means the pyramid having its base quadrangular, that is quadrilateral. Okay, that is why it is called as quadrangular pyramid. See, now here you can see the base of this pyramid is of quadrangular shape, that is, it is a quadrilateral. Okay, that is why it is called as quadrangular pyramid. Okay, it has 4 sides. Understood? Quadrangular pyramid has 4 sides, that is why it is called as quadrangular pyramid. Okay, so now see, I have drawn the 2D diagram of this quadrangular pyramid. See, I have drawn this 2D diagram, that is net of quadrangular pyramid. So through this diagram we come to know that it has 5 phases. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so quadrangular pyramid has 5 phases. Okay, 5 phases. Then vertex. Let us count the vertex. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it has 5 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is top. The vertex of top. 5 vertices. Okay, so quadrangular pyramid has 5 vertices. Now edges. Let us count the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so it has 8 edges. Okay, so quadrangular pyramid has a quadrilateral base, that is quadrangular base, that is why it is called as quadrangular pyramids. Okay, it has 5 phases, 5 vertices and 8 edges. Okay, so this is our quadrangular pyramid. Now next is triangular pyramid. Now what is a triangular pyramid? Triangular pyramid means it is having its base as triangular shape. See, you can see. Okay, see, this is the top view of triangular pyramid and this is the 2D diagram of triangular pyramid, that is net. So here it has 4 faces. If we count 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the base face of this bottom face of triangular pyramid. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. It has 4 faces. Okay, and now vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 vertices. And let us count the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 edges. Okay, so triangular pyramid is the pyramid having its base of triangular shape, that is why it is called as triangular pyramid. Okay, it has 4 faces, it has 4 vertices and 6 edges. Okay, understood? So today we have learnt the 2 types of shapes, that is cylinders and pyramids, and further pyramids are further divided into 2 types, that is quadrangular pyramid and triangular pyramid. Okay, so we have seen the 2 types of shapes, 3D shapes. Okay, so in the next lecture we will see the remaining shapes of this lesson. Okay, so till that, stay safe, stay healthy and take care. Thank you.